What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to remove black or white background from an object in Photoshop. Or in other words, how to make a black or white background transparent in Photoshop. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, all I ask of you in return is just to subscribe. It's completely free and it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. First, we're starting off with a black background. So to keep the object's quality, I will just first upscale this image. To do this, I will go to the upper left corner and go to Image. Now go to Image Size right here. Here I will just change this first number to the number that is greater than it currently. So let's say 7. Now after a few moments the image has been upscaled. So from here go to the bottom right corner and press on and click on this little half and half icon right here. Now select solid color, the first option. Here, because our object is white, I will select a white color and press OK. Now when we created this new layer, all you need to do is drag it below the first layer. Just like this. Now select the first layer and right click on it. Go to the first option that says Blending Options. Once you click on Blending Options, this new little menu will appear, and on this menu all you need to do is go to this slider right here, the first slider, and drag it to the right side. And you will drag it to the right side until you can barely see the black lines. So something like this. Now simply press OK. Go to the second layer that we previously created and click on this little eye icon right here. This will make so that only your first layer is visible, therefore removing the background. So now you need to export this by going to File, Export, and Export As. Here make sure that PNG is selected right here and click on Export. Now just save the file. So let's now move on to the white background. Here we will also upscale the image by going to Image, Image Size, and changing this first number here. Now when the image is upscaled, we will sort of repeat the same procedure with the last one, but slightly different. So again, go to this half and half icon here, select solid color, and select the color black this time. This is because our object is black, and press OK. Now again drag the layer 1 on its place, above the mask layer, and right click on the layer 1, go to Blending Options again, and here instead of moving this left slider, we will move the right slider. So again, just move the slider until you can barely see any lines, like this, and click OK. Now we will again click on this eye icon here to hide this second layer. And once you hit that layer, the background turned transparent. And again, you will export it the same way as the first one, by going to File, Export, Export As, select PNG here, and click Export. Now just click Save, and your image has been exported. So that's how you can remove black and white backgrounds from an object in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.